Okay, so this time around, we're done encoding the first grading period grades of our students. So this time, we're now giving the informative copy to students. So as you can see here in column P, there's a menu here. So it states here to informative copy. So once you're going to hit this one, this particular what we call this one, this text to informative copy, it will lead you to informative copy sheet. So I will hit this one to informative copy. So as you can see, so the grades of Agbon and other learners that was in here already. So as you can see also, so this is just an informative copy, not the formal one, not the same with our report card. So that is why there's a general average for each grading period or each quarter period. So you're going to input different numbers here. So it's stated here that you're going to input odd numbers only. Since I inputted only 20 students, so that is why 1 to 19 only is the input odd numbers. Okay, so once you're going to input this one, then Control P. So you're going to select which printer you want to print. So this time Epson L360. So that is the printer I wanted to print on. So then press OK. Then that's it. You print already the first page. By the way, you're going to use here long band paper and place that one in a printer. So next time around, I will now choose 3. So as you can see, another learners that was is reflected in here. It is Arcelo and Michael Batukan. Okay, so after you hit 3, then you Control P, then OK, print. Then next time 5, Control P, then OK, print. So until such time you're done on until 19. Control P, enter. So that is how you're going to print this informative copy and give it to your learners after. That's all